among project pasalubong na usa ta ang Discipler Bible Baptist Church sa Buliton usa nga nakadawat sa ilaha usa ka beneficiary sa ilaha nga proyekto. Salamat na may suno pasalubong project by La Canada High School in California, USA. And pinagi sa co-founder President Carl Silvano Aragones. Salamat nga naas na karon, ha? Okay, from kauban na nato dahil, no, ang Aragones. Sir, salamat sir. Kay Ma'am Karen and Sir Bernobin, ayan. Naas sila. Salamat. Kay Boards, sa kuha nga igsoon, ang kuha ang kapatid na si Ibon Aragones. From Silvano family, from Pangasinan. Naasi sila karon, silang Ma'am Clarita Silvano. From Ranis family, Dr. Viviano Ranis and Dr. Ronald Batilier.
Wala, absent.
Absent sila? Ay, saya. Naas sila karon, kauban nato, no? So, before...
Hello everyone. Thank you for being here. I'm so excited to distribute all these gifts. I'm sorry I don't speak Bisaya, I don't speak Tagalog, but I hope you enjoy the gifts that everyone in California has provided, and we hope to continue working with you guys. Thank you.
Please welcome ang superstar ng Barkada, walang iba kundi si Twirly! Okay, say hi Twirly. Okay, but dili lang kay si Twirly, no? Naa pa siya'y kauban nga. Dili lang kay isa bat duha pa jud. Okay, so to welcome our second special guest, let us all count from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Please welcome ang cheerleader ng Barkada, walang iba kundi si Hattie. Okay, so hi Hattie and Twirly. Welcome here at Buliton Rojas as we celebrate this pasalubong project. Okay, so ang star ng Barkada and ang cheerleader ng Barkada, syempre, nakajud ay highlight, no? Okay, so talang bata dapat jud mo piyong na. Close your eyes. Close your eyes and let us all count from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Salubungin po natin ang besta ng Barkada. Ang pila ng sayawan ng iba kundi si Jollibee. Okay, hi Jollibee. Welcome here at Buliton Rojas as we celebrate this pasalubong project by LA Canada High School in California, USA. Okay, kamustahin mo naman ang ating mga bisita, Jollibee. Gitan pa na sila sa LA sa US. Okay, so pag-bless, Ana Jollibee. Dili na siya kay, kay wala siya na ang double history of English. Okay, so,
Nag-video ka? Bigyan mo kayo na para kami video sila. I'm already in. Ang mga magatag diri pa yun.
Hello. Okay. Wala na yung magpa-picture ni Jollibee and Healthy and Swirling. So, as much as they want to stay here longer, naapto sila yung mga kinahanglan nga bisitahon pang more kids para mas malipay sila na. So let's all say bye-bye, Jollibee.
Kaya mahatagal ninyo diri pa dyan.
Bag muna para na. No. Na si Carl. Kuha si Carl. Wala. Salamat!
Thank you po, thank you.
Thank you!
Picture.
Smile! Say thank you, Project Pasalubong!
Jumar Gumibat and family. Jumar Gumibat and family.
Oy, pasok mo, kay time na mo. Awa na mo.
Time is up!
Dili ka magsugod, ayaw dito yung tipo nila. Dili sugod.
Jumar Gumibat and Evangeline Gumibat.
Kasi nakakita ako sa cellphone.
Okay, Lower Ratan. Okay. Lower Ratan.
Brad, that is so good, Brad. One item.
The Discipler Bible Baptist Church, Punta de Colón City, Extension Monitor, Rojas, Sabong Norte, is so thankful grateful from this Pasalubong project. You giving to us the opportunity, you know, and for the kids also, the Jollibee and friends, so they are so joyful, you know, and know that this is much appreciated. Okay, so I think that's all this program for this afternoon. And may we hear a closing remarks?
Thank you for coming. I hope you enjoyed. You know, I hope you benefited from the Ukay Ukay. Thank you. Yeah, we're so grateful to have helped you out. Bye.